It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back. Check it out. I have a ColourPop haul. Now, ColourPop does send me PR from time to time, but I purchased this as an after Christmas sale. I think I paid like $54, and it is the entire Grinch collection from ColourPop. I am obsessed with everything Grinch. And I was like, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. The Grinch's Small Heart grew 3 sizes that day. It's the Super Shock highlighter kit. I'm going to put a lot of this on social so you can see what it looks like. But oh my gosh, it's so adorable. Oh, these are nice. The Swirl lip gloss kit. Look at those. I was so like mesmerized by these. I'm like, I gotta try these out. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna put one of these on. These are nice. There's a little bit of shine in here. They're really pigmented too. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I am loving this. This one is called the Mean One. The Mean One. Okay, what are the other ones called? We have Fake Reindeer, Sweet Little Tot, and the Mean One. So obviously the brown one is the reindeer one. And the Sweet Little Tot one is like the pink one. Okay. I also got, what is this? This is the Santa Claus hat, plumping lip liner, and Boohoo plumping gloss balm. I'm a little afraid of this. I don't know if I want my lips plumped. Okay, next up we have Liked Christmas a Lot. Shadow sticks. Oh, I love the shadow sticks. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Look how cute that is. Oh, yay. I like their shadow sticks. These are nice. So check it out. This is what they look like. And then I'm going to swatch. Oh, this is nice. I'm going to swatch this. These are pretty. Look at that nice pink shade right here. That is actually really nice. I'm excited. ColourPop does such a good job with their collabs, I gotta say. I have to do a video showing all my collabs. Okay. Next up we have, oh, this is another another plumper. Pinky Hoo. So Juicy Plumping Lip Gloss Balm and Liner Kit. I might try it. I don't know. Okay. Who Hash. Oh my gosh. Look at the Who Hash. This is Get Obsessed. Oh my gosh. This is super like glittery. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I am 55 years old and I like glitter. Can I just say, like, isn't that funny? Okay. I'm going to put a little of this on my hand. This is a super glit. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I'm not even sure where I would put this, but you know what? You know how Lenny and I do like a lot of costumey stuff? Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I can't stop looking. It's glittery. Okay, that's called Who Hash. The final thing is the palette. Oh my gosh. It's super Grinchy. I always watch The Grinch as a kid. I don't know, The Grinch has come back like so like big the last couple of years. I'm so glad I got this though. Look at this. This is like my Christmas present. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know about the green Grinchy shade. That's a little much. But I love this purple shade. I love this one right here. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. What is that one called? The purple one. Oh my gosh, I can't read it. It's called Tinsel. I'm going to swatch Tinsel right here. Let me get it. Oh, that's, you know what? It's weird. It's a little bit like, it looks like, I don't know, you can't really see it on my hand. It actually looks like tinsel. It's not purple. There's definitely like a gold base to that. Oh my gosh, these are really pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm gonna swatch the Grinch, even though I don't love. Oh, this is one of the oh my gosh, you guys. This is one of like the creamy ones. You see that on there? You see that like Grinch shade? It is right here. Oops, right here. I had my finger in the wrong place. Look at that. Oh, look at this whole palette on my hand though. It's very Grinchy. I gotta say, I like this. That was pretty. Okay, I'm hooked. I'm glad I got the Grinch. So that was a really good deal. I love when I can shop, you know, these really nice ColourPop sales. Like I said, they do send me PR from time to time, but occasionally I do buy ColourPop. I love their brushes. I love everything ColourPop. I gotta say, they're wonderful. So anyway, that was a lot of fun. I know we're kind of wrapping up Christmas here, but I enjoyed that a great deal. I gotta squish my lips here because it wasn't on quite right. Anyway, who hash? Thank you so much for watching. I feel like a kid again. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.